Hi guys, so moving on to the movers. Now, these are the ones who generally are the movers and shakers at the moment. So, on the daily, we are bullish on the whip trend. We are bullish on quite a few here over here on the over here on the movers. So, who've we got here? We've got Render, Sui, Injective Protocol, Fetch, Doge. There's a few there have got quite a nice bit of strength there on the daily. Um, and then we're bullish there. Yes, so I'm just wondering if it's not above there yet, is there? If I put this on, we can see we're getting capped there. We need to push through this. We really need to push through this to see some positive gains going further into January. So right now on the daily, we're looking good on fetch, good on render, good on injective protocol. CAS underperform. Sorry, yeah, CAS. Tau underperform. Sui is an underperform, but it looks like it's going to be supported there with this strength over here. That's Inge, sorry. Yep, she's there. Yeah, so there's some strength there. So you could just see this kind of plateau a little bit. I mean, it's turned into a cell here, but then it's kind of grinding along. And I like it when they do that because then you get another push. Generally, get another push. So, yep, Poly, we've got some spaces here, haven't we, to put some more crypto in. PolyX is bullish. GRT is bullish. That's Atom. That's Comp, sorry, again. That's Dot is bullish. Pepe is a sell. Doge is bullish. You can see all of these are an underperform compared to ADA. So what we covered in the blue chips, ADA is looking really good at the moment. We'll do that in the deep dive in a minute. Just make sure I'm recording. Yes, cool. Release that video. Yes. Publish. Okay. And then where are we at? So, sorry guys, I just lost my train of thought then. Um, yeah, Ada's looking good, isn't it? Because all of these are underperform against Ada. So Doge looks okay. Shiba looks like it's a bit toppy. Floki looks like it's a bit toppy. But where are they in the mix of things over here? Do we actually have them all on? Yes, okay. Yeah, so they're floating around there. There's Pepe pushing a push. So it's a true wave down. So it's maybe just a correction in Pepe. We'll see how that goes. So the daily, there's a few looking good, but then also they could just start rolling toppy. And this is what I was saying over here. We're going to have this kind of reaction where the daily is going to start hitting that weekly and want to do that. So we need to get above, retest, and go, and that would be a lot more fun for everyone involved. So there's a few here that we can keep an eye on, mainly the AI. And then PolyX and watch for the dogs turning bullish. So on the 4 hour, yeah, we are a seller on everything at the moment, apart from ADA. ADA's still a buy. Everything's kind of a sell down here. And then what else? Yeah, so on the 4 hour, we can see that Fetch is doing this and she needs to really start doing that. But at the moment, we could have another push like this. So Fetch could make another high, and then we could have a bit of a stronger divergence along there. And that's where the daily could then roll over. If you remember what happened here, so the daily is pushing up like this and rolling, so it could roll. But in that, I mean, the daily will be running around like this. So basically, we could have another push up, which could even go higher, and then we could have the sell off. Let's remove that. So remove 8 joins. So yes, at the moment on here, 4 hour strength, injective looking good. Some of these over here also will maintain a bit of strength and maybe another push. So the likes of Sui, Doge, Tau. I like the way that Fetch Render and Poly have had this push here in the midst. So what we need to do now is control this 4 hour. Wait for this to turn into about everything's a bit of a sell at the moment. There's nothing really healthy apart from Sui there. Is making a push. Um, PolyX is a sell at the moment. Underperform, mixed bag, overperform, outperform on dot. Need to make sure I don't say overperform, outperform. And over here, yeah, all the dogs at the moment are in not a good position. And they're all strong sells, really. If we're going to look at fetch on the 1 hour, and because we have such a mixed bag around here, if we're going to look at fetch on the 1 hour, we've got Dot making that move there. Dot is looking good there. It's making a push there, but I'm not happy with all this over here on the 1 hour. Fetch looking good here, so we might have some volatility and some movement in fetch. She could turn bullish there actually on the relative price. We'll keep an eye on that. But I mean, yeah, fetch looking good, Dot looking good. Some of these looking good on the 1 hour GRT. The dogs are not ready yet. And then yeah, so a bit of a mixed bag, really. I mean, I like the look of the AIs there. They really need to start having a push and pull the 4 hour around to then join the daily and have another push on the daily because the daily looks a bit roundy and toppy there. Have a look at you, but the strength there and the strength in Doge as well. So on the higher time frames like the daily and 4 hour, we've got a mixed story. The daily looking bullish on a lot of things, maybe toppy. The 4 hours is sell at the moment. The 1 hour is looking bullish on a few. So we've just got to manage these expectations of what's going to do what today and make sense of our trades the best way we can. So, yeah, guys, that'll be it for this. I'll do a deep dive in a minute. What have I got open here on the deep dive? We've got Solana, which is having a sell off at the moment. I'll have a look at some of the other ones we've mentioned that look good today. But yeah, guys, like and subscribe, please. See you in the next one and trade safe.